Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and we're moving right along with our Christmas spectacular. Here we have Pepperjack Mashed Potatoes. All right, as you can see here, I've got 5 pounds of russet potatoes that I've skinned, and I'm adding to a pot of water. Again, you want to start this off cold, and you want to basically cover the potatoes to about an inch of water, turn on the burner, and bring to a boil, and you're going to want to boil them or simmer them for about 20 minutes till they're about fork tender. Again, I would like to point out, this is a Christmas spectacular, so it is a video every day, but normally it is Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 8 p.m. here on Dave's Cooking Show for whatever I'm cooking up. And if you would hit the subscribe button, that would be fantastic, because only about 20% of you are subscribed, and it helps out the channel a lot. I know it's annoying to hear that, but I have to say these things. Okay, and through the magic of cooking show editing, the potatoes are done. Now it's time to start adding the other shit. Okay, let's start off. The first ingredient is a stick and a half of butter, or 3/4 of a cup of butter, but stick and a half. And you want to follow that up with 6 cloves of minced garlic. And then you want to add 4 ounces of cream cheese, or about half a standard bar. And then you want to add 1.5 teaspoons of kosher salt. Then you want to pour in 3/4 of a cup of half and half. And then you want to pop in half a teaspoon of chili powder and a half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Now, if you do want these potatoes to be a little bit spicier, you can certainly add more of the cayenne. I was not going for that. And of course, freshly ground black pepper, because freshly ground black pepper makes everything better. And then just want to start the process of mashing this shit up. Now, you want to add 8 ounces of shredded pepperjack cheese. And keep mashing it up, keep mashing it up. And I added a little splash of buttermilk just to basically get a little more liquid in there. And you just want to take a hand mixer and, again, make mashed potatoes. All right, and by the way, you should be preheating the oven to 375 degrees. Okay, now we got a 9 by 13 inch baking dish that's been sprayed down. And time to add our mashed potatoes to it. And then you want to, after you've got it all nice and spread out like this, time to add the rest of the pepperjack cheese, and I also added some Colby Jack cheese. And then you're going to want to basically pop this in the oven and bake until the cheese is melted and the tips of the potatoes are kind of golden brown a little bit. So I think it took 15 minutes, if I remember correctly. Just keep an eye on it. At least 10, but just keep an eye on it. And again, the oven should be set at 375 degrees. All right, out of the oven and ready to go. So, that is Pepperjack Mashed Potatoes. Done.